How to chat with people in Tinder. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can chat with people on Tinder, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Chatting with people on Tinder is easy, but chatting is only enabled once you match with each other. So let's say that you happen to swipe right on a specific person and then they also swipe right on you, then basically you are a match. And once you are a match, only then you can start talking to each other. Once you just come to this little messaging icon here, and when you come to the messaging tab, you will be able to see there's profile and everything, and then you'll be able to begin talking. So remember that you need to be a match, and only once you become a match, you'll be able to chat with each other. You both need to have liked each other. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.